guys, welcome to my channel, Alan Gaming. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a fidget cube in Minecraft Pocket Edition. So let's go! So we're in the world. So we're gonna make the area. So we need a red wool. First we'll make a square or cube. So we're putting the cube in. It is the height is 3 cubes and the length is 5 by 5. The length and the width. So 5 cubes, okay? Then the height is 3 cubes. So we're stacking it. Then after we do that, wait, I'm not yet finished yet. So I'm just putting the last layer. Here we go. Go down. Oh, sorry. Missed. Okay, fly. Then done. After that, we will go to the second part. So let's go. We will need a dispenser, stone pressure plate, redstone, sticky piston, red wool, slime block. So we'll put a cross inside the cube. Then we'll put a sticky piston in the center of the cross and the slime in the slime block. Oh, come on, my words. Then we'll put redstone on the side of the cube. On the side of the cross, sorry. What happening to me? Then we'll cover these things up and we'll try this. This is the first part of the fidget cube. So I'm just putting the red wool to oh to cover this. Okay. Then we will get the stone pressure plate. Then we'll put what happened. Oh, it's like a mini trampoline. It jumps. Look, ready, set, go. Okay, then, sorry, then we'll just try this thing. So after this, we will go to the third step. So welcome back, guys. So I'm back. So we need an item frame. We'll just put at the sides of the cube. Then we'll just put some golden swords, and that's it. We will move on to the fourth step. So we will just try this. Let's make a design. Let's make a pattern. Then we will go to the fourth step. There we go. So let's go. We're almost done, guys. So we need a wooden trapdoor and rod. So we will just tack a design. That is the stairs for the mini trampoline in a what do you call this? Fidget cube. So we can go up. So please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do some game videos. So let's go to the fifth step. So we're in the fifth step. So you need a button dispenser, fire charge, snowball, slime ball. So Spencer, stack it up. Button. Oh, come on. Okay, we'll just get red. No, not that one. Red Bull, yeah. What just happened? Okay, let's put the red wool, then put the button side to side by Ariana Grande. I'm just joking. Then we'll put the fire charge at the middle. Remember that. And the snowball and the slime ball. So, okay, we will try it so it can fly. Look, see? Look at the slime ball. So we will try it again. There you go. And there's the fifth step. So we will go to the sixth. We're almost done, guys. We just need a wooden trapdoor. Then we'll just stack this thing. We'll just align it. This is just an idea. Thank you for lol crafto. That's the credits, okay? Can we hit 5 likes for this, guys? Then I'm gonna do some gaming videos daily if I can. So we're almost done. So we're done in the fidget cube. So please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do what I can. I'm gonna do my best. Get out, ship! Get out! Okay. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. So